Hello students, today we are going to discuss the exercise 4.3 from the chapter Practical Geometry. Now, the first question is construct the following quadrilaterals, and you have given 4 parts in this question. So basically this exercise is about constructing quadrilaterals when we have given 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles. Okay, so let's take first question, quadrilateral MORE, where MO is equals to 6 centimeter, OR is equals to 4.5 centimeter, angle M is 60 degree, angle O is 105 degree, angle R is 105 degree. Okay, so we have given 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles. So firstly we will draw a rough diagram, which is I have drawn already. So this is a rough diagram MORE. Okay, and this diagram, the angle M is 60 degree, angle O is 105 degree, angle R is 105 degree, and OR is 4.5 and MO is 6. These 2 sides are adjacent side. Okay, so this is the rough figure. Now we will construct the figure with real measurement. So firstly we will take any of the side which is given. So I am going to take the side MO. Okay, 6 centimeter. So draw a line 6 centimeter from 0 . So this is 6 centimeter line. Name it M. This is the point M and this is the point O. Okay, now from M we have to construct a 60 degree angle and it will lead us to point E. Okay, but this is the last step we are going to do. Firstly we will construct 60 degree angle from here and 105 degree angle from O. So we will take our compass. Okay, now put the needle at M and make an arc. So this is the arc. Now don't change the measurement of this compass. From this point of the arc, where the arc is intersecting the line MO, put the needle and make one more arc that is intersecting this first arc. Okay, now the intersecting point of these 2 arcs is where we will draw the line from M. Okay, so take the ruler and join these 2 points. Okay, so students, this angle is 60 degree angle. Now from O we will construct 105 degree angle. So put the needle at O and make an arc. Then again we will make 60 degree angle. So at this point where the arc is intersecting line MO, put the needle and make an arc that is intersecting this first arc. Okay, now again the intersecting point of these 2 arcs, put the needle and make one more arc. Because we are making 90 degree angle, so again put the needle at this third arc and make an arc above, and from 60 make an arc. We have an intersecting point of these 2 arcs above. This is our 90 degree and we will draw a rough line . Now this line is 90 degree angle on the line MO. Okay, now since 105 lies between 120 and 90, so we will again bisect from here by putting the needle at 90 on this arc where this 90 angle is intersecting. So put the needle and make an arc above. Similarly, put the needle at 120 and make the arc above. Okay, so the intersecting point of these two arcs is this. That means by joining these 2 points of this arc and O will make 105 degree angle. Okay, so this is 105. Make this line a little longer. Now we have given OR is 4.5. Since we have made this angle O and the side is going up to R, okay, that means the point R will be on this side. Now OR is 4.5. So take ruler and compass, measure 4.5, put the needle at 0 and pencil at 4.5. Now put the needle at O and make an arc on this line. So the intersecting point of R and this line is this. Okay, that means here we have point R. Okay, now we have given that here we have angle R is 105. Okay, and it is going up to E, the ray RE and RO. So RO we have to make RE. So RE we have to create one more 105 degree angle. Now I have erased the previous arc so that it's clear on screen. Now put the needle at R of any measurement and mark an arc like we were doing before. Now this point where the arc is intersecting the line, put the needle and make an arc over this arc. So this is 60 degree. Now from 60 we will again make an arc over this arc. This is 120. Now we will make 90 degree angle. So put needle at 120 and 60 and make 2 arcs above. So the intersecting point is 90 degree. So join the point of 90 degree and the arc. So this is 90 degree. Now 105 lies between 90 and 120. Put the needle at 90 and make an arc above, and then put the needle at 120 and make the arc above. So the point of intersecting is here. Okay, now join these 2 points R and the point of intersecting. Now this is 105 degree angle. Okay, now we can see that there is no meeting point here, so we will from here make this line a little longer so that it will intersect the line here. Okay, now the intersecting point of these 2 lines is E. Okay, so we have our quadrilateral MORE here. Okay, so this is the required quadrilateral. Now second part of this question is quadrilateral PLAN, where PL is 4 cm, LA is 6.5 cm, angle P is 90 degree, angle A is 110 degree, angle N is 85 degree. Okay, now to understand how it will be made, let's make a rough diagram first. So this is the rough diagram. We have PLAN. Okay, so this is a quadrilateral. Now we have given that PL is 4 cm. Okay, so this is 4 cm. LA is 6.5. So LA is 6.5 cm. Okay, now angle P is 90 degree. Angle A is 110 and angle N is given 85 degree. Okay, now we have to make a well measured diagram. So for that we will take any one side, but before that we have little complications here. How? See, if I take this line first, 6.5, and then I have to make an angle of 110. Okay, I will make it, and the line 4 cm is on the other side. Okay, but we don't know that what angle is this. Without knowing this angle L, we cannot make this 4 centimeter line that will fulfill the conditions. Okay, so we first have to know what this angle L is. So in triangle, we know that the angle sum property in triangle is when we add all the three angles in a triangle, the sum is 180. Similarly, in quadrilateral, the sum of all the angles is 360 degree. Okay, so that means the sum of these four angles is 360. So to find out this L, we will add all these angles, angle P plus angle N plus angle A plus angle L is equals to 360 degree. So put the values 90 degree plus 85 degree plus 110 degree plus angle L is equals to 360 degree. Now the sum of these three angles is 285. Okay, plus angle L is equals to 360. To find this angle L, let's transpose this 285 from here to here. So we will have 360 minus 285, and the value of angle L is, when we will minus this, we will have 75 as answer. Okay, so angle L is 75 degree. Now we can easily construct this quadrilateral. Now since we know the angle L, we can construct the figure. So we will take LA as a baseline. Okay, so LA is 6.5 centimeter. Draw a 6.5 centimeter line. So this is from 0 to 6.5. So this is point L and point A. Okay, now from point L we have to construct 75 degree angle. So take the compass and put the needle at L. So 75 degree angle lies between 90 degree and 60 degree. So first we will make 90 degree and 60 degree. So this is an arc. This is for 60 degree and this is 120. This above arc from 120 and 60 gives us 90 degree. So let's draw this 90. Now this point is for 90 and this is 60. So 75 will lie between this. So we will bisect these two. We will from 60 make an arc above, and from 90 an arc above. Okay, now join the point of this intersecting to L. Now this line is making 75 degree angle on LA. Okay, now we have drawn this line. Now make 4 centimeter arc so that this line will give us this point P. Okay, so take the measurement by putting the needle of compass at 0 and then pencil at 4. Okay, so put the needle at L and mark an arc over this line. Now this arc is intersecting this line at this point. That means this point is point P. Okay, now from point A we need to construct 110 degree. So since 110 degree is not in your syllabus, by construction with the help of ruler and compass, so we will simply take protractor, put the protractor at A, the point here which leads to 90 degree at A, and this line over the LA. Okay, now from here we need 110 degree. So this is 110 degree. Join these 2 points. Okay, so here we have 110 degree angle. Now from here we cannot find out this point L because we don't have given this measurement of this side. Okay, now we will do one more thing, that we will make this 90-degree angle, and the line that will make 90-degree on this P will lead to the intersecting point of these two lines that will give us the point N. Okay, so we will make 90-degree angle on P. So take compass and put the needle at P. Now mark an arc. Okay, now from here 60, 120 and the intersecting of these two above. Okay, now the intersecting of these 60 and 120 will give us the point where we can make 90-degree angle. So let's join them. So by joining the point P and the intersecting point, we have this line that is intersecting this line at here. We will give this name N. Okay, so this point is N. So this angle is 90-degree angle. Okay, now we can check whether this angle is 85 or not. So when we will put the protractor over this point N, we can have this line which is leading us to the 85-degree. Okay, that means this angle is 85-degree angle. Okay, so students, these were the two questions from exercise 4.3. Now next two questions, construct a parallelogram and a rectangle. So follow the property of parallelogram and rectangle. You can easily construct the two. So today we have discussed how to construct quadrilateral when you have given two adjacent side and three angles. Now you have to do all the construction of these quadrilateral on your notebook. So I will see you in next video with new exercise. Till then, keep practicing and keep learning. Thank you.